on grinding, and the way my mind think I'm losing, but I can't stop for nothing, cause I keep on thinking on grinding. And that following, baby, I know that vow got you lazy. Everything not great. I brought the chocolates that was on my ankles, and 2 coffee that was on my wrist. I can't never be the same cause I'm a dog. I broke out the shackles that was on my ankles, and I broke out the cuff that was on my wrist. I cut my phone out, cause I don't wanna be disturbed. I follow my heart, man, I chase my dream. I can take your heart away from your rainy days and wash your sins away. No need to cry today, no need, I fell in the ocean with sharks. I had to open my third eye in the dark. Lord knows I'm not that smart, but I can swim like a pro. I'm wondering how far can I go? How far can I go? Don't play me stupid because I'm not that slow. She know her pussy got some power. We be left for like 3 hours. 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 We be left for 3. She know I can't be the same, so after sexual intercourse I am leaving, cause I can't stay in the same place. Cause baby, it's me, it's I'm a grinder, baby. Yeah, I'm a grinder, baby. I keep on thinking that I'm losing, I'm grinding. Baby, see, this me, nigga, and I can't be for the bitches. Suicide dozy, I dream about it. I look out the window, I know you see that, baby. $70,000 house, I dream about it. Hell yeah, I want it, and I'm gon' get it. Bible, baby, open my wallet, baby. You gon' see I made me, you gon' see I raised me. I raised my own self. Young nigga, think about you. Young nigga, I think about me. Yeah, what we gon' do? My family raised me, kick up and dope, baby, and I'm an open world. Yeah, it's not that crazy. Gotta keep my head up, so God can teach me from right or wrong. Yeah, I love this song. Yeah, I love this song.